Welcome back to the Red SS channel. Time to replace the reverse lights with some LED lights. These are the profile lights. I'll put a link in the description below. I bought these from Joe LaBruza's website, ssonly.com, so be sure to visit and check it out. Lots of good stuff on there for your Chevrolet SS. He also has g8only.com, so for your Pontiac G8, he has the site to go to, so check that out. Why did I get these lights? Well, because I wanted some LEDs back there. I think they'll just look better. Is it necessary? Yeah, man, you're gonna get like 2 to 3 extra horsepower by installing these, and you will also improve your downforce as well. All right, let me show the steps I took. It's really easy. It's just taking out some fasteners, unscrewing the rubber stoppers and the grip plate as well, just so you can have access underneath the trunk liner to get to the housing. Yeah, this was here. I just popped it out with a flathead. And there's another one here. And if I really need to, I'll pop out these as well. Now, some people take the whole trunk liner out. I don't know if I will, but maybe I will. We'll see how much clearance I get, because I want to get back here to the housing of the reverse light. And these need to come out too. These rubber stoppers that strike the plate down here, these just unscrew off, just like that.
I like it.